All right, so here we go with the all right so thing again. But anyhow, right now I'm about to get into the lowering process of the vehicle. I'll throw a picture of how I did the rear, but the rear is only lowered about like an inch or so, maybe an inch and a half, but it is significantly lower all around, visually, whatever. But as you guys can see, it does look really good. The front is lowered quite a bit. I mean, I do have the rear BC coilovers as well, but I did not install them because I wanted to test it on the air ride, and it's a decent amount of work. It's nothing crazy. You just got to take the rear bags out and take the struts out, and that's it. But I just didn't want to do it, so I'll leave that for the next owner, because again, I'm not keeping this. My plan is to get another SUV, a newer one, a faster one, a better one. So this one is basically just for me to test out like what the whole SUV life is about. I like it because these sport SUVs, even though it's a sport utility vehicle, but the old definition of an SUV, something like this, and what an SUV is right now, like a sport SUV, super SUV, whatever you want to call it, it's a whole different ball game now. So yeah, it looks really good though. Like, look at that. So yes, I was mentioning the front is on BC coilovers. They're lowered a decent bit, and it has a lot more to go, but I'm not going to bother with it. And the rears are lowered on Ista Plus, I believe the thing is called. So you just go into the software and you do it. I may include a video of like how to do it, because I haven't seen it exactly for the e53 X5, and there's something that you have to do for it to work properly. I don't believe you have to do it for the newer ones like the E70s or maybe even the 4.8s, but I do know for this one, which is the 2002 4.4i, you have to do this thing. So I probably will just end up making another video of how to actually do it, like me doing it and showing it and everything like that. But I believe it has two different height sensors on the back, two different brand height sensors, so it's not lowering evenly. So I got it to get lower evenly a bit, and I just left it where it's at. But I guess I could also try again just for the video purposes and put it back to where it's at right now. But yeah, this was just a quick video of me just showing you guys the car lowered, because I haven't done it yet. But we did lower the car. It was done successfully. The BCs ride really good. I've never particularly been a fan of BCs because they just don't feel like $1,000 coilovers. At least the BC BRs, which I've had on many cars. But yeah, it's good, so can't really complain.